lazypredict is a Python library that allows users to easily perform machine learning predictions and evaluations using various models. It offers a simple interface for training and testing models, as well as comparing the performance of different models. One of the main features of lazypredict is the lazy classifier, which allows users to quickly train and test multiple models with a single function call. Here is an example of using the lazy classifier to train and test 30 different models on a dataset. In this example, the lazy classifier will automatically train and test 30 different models on the given dataset, and print the evaluation scores for each model. This makes it easy for users to quickly compare the performance of different models and choose the best one for their needs.